We are doing it. Lake 22, boy. How do you feel?
Lake 22.
Lake 22.
You like the cut? Look at the cut.
Look at the cut. Yes. 6 pound, 1 pound, 6
Yo, who's gonna get this shell?
For the male audience.
For the male audience. Close up on this. It's all ice. This is all ice. Found an ancient discovery.
Ancient discovery.
The relic of the trail. The keychain. We made it. On the way up, stopped a while. Quarter of the way, quarter to halfway. For the boys.
For the boys.
Bruh. About halfway through.
315.
315.
Sun sees about 90 degrees west angle. What do you say, Charles? Oh,
15 degrees south.
50 degrees south, northwest. Got real ice, dude. This could work.
We're in the mountains, bro.
Got the frostbitten icicle.
It looks like dirt, right?
Particles.
Psych, it's ice.
It looks like the particles.
Looks like dirt. Psych, it's
Cynicals
ice.
and photosynthesis. But the cynicals are with photosynthesis. There's a monster truck here, bro. There's ice inside the monster truck.
Where are we, Ayan?
We're at Lake 22, and at the top of the mountain there's a lake, and that is the angle of where we're trying to get. And as you can see, very delicate. Yeah.
Dude, like, look at that. So
Look at where we are.
on the side of a mountain.
And we found a bag, but so far no bodies have been found. You know what time it is? Oh, poo-poo. We're almost there. This kid's falling everywhere. We made it.
We made it.
Let's see. A little bit left. Please, Sean.
We are. Oh my god. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro.
We are walking back.
And we actually are the last people here.
Look at this. It is 2 hours hike. Oh, shit.
And it's gonna be dark, and we're the only ones here.
Damn, we gotta make sure our parents don't see us, bro.
Yeah. Both of us almost just fell right here. Right here at the spot.
Right there.
We almost
We
fell.
just slipped. I actually slipped. Look, ice.
Time is running out. It's getting dark.
Nosferatu finna come and spank us and
I
stuff.
watched that movie yesterday. We saw it. You watched the movie.
It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. He just jumped.
I just jumped into. Okay, you see the stick, right? You see the stick, right? I just jumped in there, bro. All right, heard him, folks. I almost fell. I'm about to take the camera down.
He just fell.
Yo, a few.
This was like 2
years off our first recording. I slipped right here. In this ice.
Okay.
Here. We made it to the checkpoint. This is what we wanted to see. Just the sun hitting the top of the mountain.
Now we can prioritize getting down.
Yeah, now we can prioritize getting down before it gets too dark. Still light coming from right here.
Just look down there, bro.
Yeah, we're cooked. We might have to call 911 to help us.
You might have to call. No, I'm playing. We are X-Force. All right. This is how dark it is right now. You can't even see short. Stop. It's very dark. 5:29. We are 5:30. Yeah.
I'm not seeing those markers, bro. It's been a minute since I've seen one. Yeah. Switch the pole on.
It seems like a good amount of the ice has melted as we're going farther down.
Which is odd because during the night it should be getting colder.
It was noon.
Yeah.
It was like 2 o'clock, and it was icy. Now it's like slush and water.
There's still ice, don't get me wrong.
There's still small amounts of ice, yes.
Me and Ayan headed down. Pitch back, basically. We were some of the.
It's been pretty chilling so far. There's been a couple instances of ice, but there seems to be more water present here, but as all the ice is melting. Oh shit! Alright, dude. Whenever I say ice, bro, I almost fell.
I almost just slipped.
Very careful here, son.
Oh, I almost just slipped again. Just wanted to show you guys this cool ice bubble looking things. Water's running down. Making bubbles. Everything just has like a glisten to it, like glitter. Finally, at the end of the trail. The sticker was left for the next people. The Lake 22 trail complete.
What it be, what it do, guys. We made it to the view.
More shots of the Lakey.